Okay guys, so we got the 3-phase Variac you can see over there. Changed the brushes on this the other day, so we're just going to be load testing that now. And I've got the 2000 watt halogen, linear halogen set up just there, as you can see, on an E40 base. So that'll be pulling more than 8 amps, but that's good because we're load testing it. You know, we want to go over its ratings a bit just for a small amount of time. We've got a maximum of 12 amps on the ammeter there, which is good. And we got a maximum of 300 volts, but this is these Variacs, they take 250 volts in and they put out about 265, 270 thereabouts, so that's what they're good for. So I've got the first one hooked up there, as you can see, with the overwind on number 4 and neutral on number 1 and brush on number 3, which is cool. All left up, of course guys, always important. And we've got the safe block open up there, and I'm going to be running it off the other 15 amp Variac that you can see over there, measuring the input voltage and amps over there too, so I'll be checking on that. But the main thing we're interested in, guys, is how smoothly the volts go up, because now that I've done the work on the brushes, you should see that the volts increase as I turn the knob, not actually decrease at all. If it decreases at all, it means it's missed a winding on the way up, so it means that the brushes aren't quite making contact. But I'm pretty confident in this that it'll make contact. So yep, I'll zoom you guys out, get an overall shot. Another thing, guys, I've got a piece of aluminium there I'm going to put in front of the lamp, and that's just going to shield it from the all the light, because otherwise it would dim the camera and you wouldn't be able to read the dials. So yep, if I just turn everything on, this primary Variac on, meters on, some amps, take it up to 250 volts. There we go, about 250 volts. Close the safe block, power it on. There we go, a bit of inrush there, guys. And I'll zoom in on the, there we go, just so you can see the amps. So we got 0 to 12 on the ammeter there, and the volts we've got 0 to 300, so you should see it sit somewhere between 2 and 300 when it's at maximum. Okay guys, so I will increase the voltage, hopefully as smoothly as possible. I can't guarantee anything because it is difficult to turn. There's 3 of them at once. But yeah, I'll try and go. So yeah, as you can see, the amps are increasing. First because the lamp's still cold. As the volts come up, that'll drop back down. It's 100 volts. 150 volts. You can see it's always increasing, it hasn't done any drops yet. 200 volts. That's about 8 amps there at 200 volts. Keep going a bit more until we bottom out. That's 250, 260, 265, maybe 270 there. Yeah, about 265. Input's gone down a bit actually, so if I take the input up a bit, bring the input up to 250. There we go, we got 275 volts out, so I'll take that down now. I don't want to be running it for too long, because that lamp will get too warm. So we'll bring that down. Beautiful, starting to test that nicely. Okay, so I'll open up the safe block, turn off the Variac over here, crank it down. Okay, I'll do a quick changeover, guys. So I'll swap over to the other Variac a bit quick, so just bear with me, guys. Okay guys, so that's the middle variac now connected up. Now I'm pretty sure this one is actually wound reverse to the other one, so this is actually its full potential. So I'll take it down and that'll be at 0 volts. We'll see. I'm pretty sure it is that way around on this one from memory. Okay, so I'll close up the safe block, turn the primary variac on. Okay, bring that up to 250. Okay, oh, a bit over, there we go, 250.5, close enough. Right, put the volts on. Okay, so the lamp hasn't came on, which means this one is wired in reverse to the other one, so I'll have to remember to put number 1 to live and number 4 to, no sorry, it'll be number, you want the overwind on that, so it'll be number 6 to live and number 5 to neutral on this one to connect that up. Just to show you guys there. So yeah, to wire this in reverse for the, so it's the same way around as the other ones. You want to wire the blue one to number 5 and the brown incoming into number 6, which is this one just here guys. Okay, right, so I'll zoom that back out. Get an overall shot. Aluminium guard still in place. And we're watching the amps and volts for how smooth it is. So yep, I'll take that up. Ever so slowly. Watch it increase. And the volts nice and smooth. Gently does it. 150, 200, 250, 260, 265. I'll just bring the input voltage up a bit more. 250, that's 250. So there we go, the same voltage there at 275, which is good. So I'll bring that down. Back to 0 and open up the safe block. Okay, so that's another one tested. Just crank this down, turn it all off a second. Okay, and I'll connect up the third one now guys, so bear with me and I'll just swap it over. So safe block's open, don't forget guys. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see now I've got the third variac hooked up, so I'm going to close up the safe block, turn on the primary side variac, bring it up to 250 volts. $240, $245, $250, there we go, 250 volts. Put the output switch on. And now this one's backwards again, so before I do that, I just turn this one, turn it back that way. I'm pretty sure they're all back to front on there, so I'll keep that in mind. Right, fingers crossed. Cool, yep. Right, so that's powered on now, so we're ready to go. Right, so I'll crank it up slowly. Okay, the amps are peaking again. Just bring that up. And the volts as 150. Getting warm. 200. 250, and that is now, just check my input voltage, that needs to go up a bit more, so 250 in, and there we go, we got about 270, 275 out, which is good, it's the same as the others, so that's cool, that's working nicely, and we'll take that down before it gets too hot, all the way back down. All the way back home to 0. So yeah, that's good. Turn it all off, open it up. Safety first, guys. Turn that all off. And of course that aluminium's going to be pretty damn hot, so I'm not going to touch that for a while. So yeah, that's looking pretty good, guys. That's load tested successfully, sorry guys. And yeah, perfect. So hope that all helps anyone that who wants to load test Variac. So I did just do 3 there, which is a bit boring, guys, but it is a 3-phase one. So, and don't forget that you need to be doing some dead tests before you turn one of these on for the first time. Say like insulation, check that there's nothing down to ground, and also check your resistances over the coils to make sure that they're all nice and even, so you can tell if there's anything wrong with them. Obviously do a visual check as well, look for burnt out windings, brushes that aren't making contact, anything that looks wrong generally is, so just check that all first, guys, and then when you're ready to power on, go for it and do a test similar to this, testing its full potential, maybe a little bit over if you want to be thorough, and yeah, so that'll be quite a nice little 3-phase Variac that I'll use sometime in the future, whether I wire up in parallel or whether I take it somewhere which has 3-phase and use it, we shall see. But yeah, that's good. So I hope you all enjoyed that, guys, and I'll see you all again next time. Cheers, bye.